So when you're shooting on the streets during sunset, around golden hour, try to shoot head on and do -1 exposure compensation. And this is essentially the lost tourist technique. And it's I'm shooting with the Ricoh GR version 2. Hand gestures like this are pretty good too. And just, yeah, essentially when you're walking on the streets, just swim in and out. And even as a fun thing you could do is put your shadow on top of other people. And you know when the light's good is when the shadow of yours is actually taller than you in real life. So generally right now it's around like 6 o'clock, depending on where you live and the time of year, it's going to change. So my practical strategy is when you're shooting on the streets, look for a nice light and just be patient and figure out what direction the light's coming from. So right now the sun's coming from this way. So essentially you want to shoot this way and just shoot head on. When you're shooting, be bold, get in front of people. Don't be afraid of cutting off people's direction. And actually ideally it's good to use an LCD screen. So there's actually less chance of you actually bumping into people.